Hi, today I'm going to talk about a special question for me, which is what should people do before traveling to another country? As a small introduction, I can say when the teacher spoke with us and said, um, we choose a question immediately in my mind. I chose the question number 10 because it's a question I wish they had answered for me before my first trip. So now I'm considered I have a little more experience, so maybe I can help another person who needs. And yeah, and another thing that I want Farasif, I am going to talk about from my experience what I did, what I do, um, and something like that. And also, I am wrote a specific advice that I want said because I don't want to forget anything. And yeah, that's all. And I think we can. It's a good time for it start. So let's go. So the first is that you need to apply for your passport. You need, and then you need to make an appointment for your visa in the consul. And consider, and I think for some countries it's necessary the visa, but especially if you want visit USA, it's completely necessary. To you need your visa. So yeah, and when you get your passport, your visa, and all documentation that you need, I think you can start by checking the flights are very so I recommend that you visit different page on internet, page like Google Flights and Scanner. I'm not sure. I don't remember very well it that was its name, but yeah, but yeah, this page, uh, you it's only for me it's only for more easy that you can check the flights, but you must not get confused because it's not the same the page of official of the Ireland. No, it's only yeah, the page more easy for the check the flights. And I can say that you can a small comparison from, I don't know, for example, from Google Flights to a scanner and check and see which one is the best. So because this page so you resume about the flights, the squaddles, the price and everything. So yeah, and another thing that I recommend, if you that you visit the budget, because I think the project is another it's if, for example, you you can check the project that call uh, multi-story trip or multi-destination, and maybe you ask how is multi-destination or how is multi-story trip. It's a budget that you buy uh, 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 with different flights, and you can visit different cities. For example, you fly from uh, Mexico City and then New York, and the from New York to then Paris back home. Okay, it's a flight with different flights in the same flight. I don't know how is the correct form I can say, but yeah, it's this. It is. So I think it's the cheap way that you can travel because it have you can the possibility that visit different cities, but in the same flights you have the the all destination. Yeah, yeah, it is. So mhm. uh, and yeah, and I think this is um, a, a special things that you need to check, and another things maybe it's that you need to take attention, for example, in your suitcase and the gate, because it's another thing really important for the airport, because they in the airport they check very well the gate. So be careful with that. And another thing I can tell you is that you research very well about the places that you want to visit, and I recommend visit different platforms on the internet, such YouTube, Google, TikTok, and watch videos, or read about the cities that you want to visit. And yeah, I think that's all, and I think there are some tips that I can tell you. So thank you so much for see this video, and